Hi friends, today also some revelation has come. I don't know. This is, anyway. Today's revelation is that everything depends on you. Everything. The world, the objects in the world, other people in the world, your relationships, your money, your sex. I don't know, I can go on, listing. So, you should understand anything which you can perceive, anything you can think, anything you can, identify with your five sensory perceptions, including your intuition. Everything depends on you. You see, you are very powerful. You are not realizing that, unfortunately. Unfortunately, you are not realizing everything. Because it is simple. I am not telling any rocket science. You have to understand it. So, for you, simple, the lowest level of perception I am telling. There is a chair in your room. Okay. Without you, can there be a chair? You may say, okay, when I am sleeping, chair is there. No. When you are sleeping, you don't, experience any chair. You assume. This is the problem, assumptions. You go by beliefs and assumptions. That's the problem. So that chair, if that chair has to exist, there should be you to see that chair and tell, that is my chair, that is my chair. That is simple, I always want to, you to experiment or investigate your cognitive five senses and your mind. You should rely only on that. You should investigate only on that. If you go by books and, authorities and priests and friends and elders and all that, you will not reach anywhere. You will get into a belief system and you will round. A simple example I told you, chair. That chair to exist, you are required. Like that, anything, your family, your friends, your universe, your Big Bang, your scientific knowledge, genetics, economics, money, everything. Everything exists once you are there. If you are not there, nothing exists. Everyday example, everyday sleeping, nothing of this is there. But you assume when I sleep, you are not sleeping. Your body, that memory is lost. Even body is also not there. That I don't know how to explain. Anyway, the point is, for anything to exist, you will have to exist first. Now, if you think about that, you will realize. If you continue in the belief system, that's also perfectly all right. You can continue in the belief system. So now let us, come to that statement. Initially I said, everything depends on you. Don't you think there is a big contradiction from my earlier videos and this? I don't know. Anybody who has really, thought about that would have, understood the contradiction. See, my basic principle or basic message, what is my basic message? My basic message is there is no you, there is no me, there is no world, there is no time, there is no space, there is nothing. You are in unknowing. You understand what I am talking about? So, now I am telling that everything depends on you. So, you may feel that I have given reality to you and the so called everything. No. It is a big no. You and the chair is not enough for that chair to exist. You and the Big Bang is not enough for that Big Bang to exist. You and the family members are not enough for those family members to exist. You and your money is not enough for that money to exist. There is a third factor. What is that third factor? That third factor is your knowledge. If you don't know what is a chair, how will you say it is a chair? if you do not know, have already, if there is no wiring, firing chair, see, some point of time you are wired and fired a chair here. It is a supercomputer running. It is a artificial intelligence. You are not there. This artificial intelligence is running the show. So, there is one chair sitting inside. So it coincides. Okay, there is outside chair, inside chair. You understood. Like that, everything. Your family members, your Big Bang, your sun, your science, your genetics, your science, everything. There are some wiring here, which happened, some time back, and now it has been plugged. Now I understood. This is what is happening. You are not there nowhere. There is an artificial intelligence. What is it? AI, artificial intelligence. I don't know. And this starts, the moment your prison is created. I told you, prison. Suddenly, I, time, space, imagination. I, false I, time, space, memory and imagination. That is how you create that is the Big Bang. After that Big Bang, this artificial intelligence, go on, it is a software. It's going on adding. It's go on continuously. It goes on adding. You are nowhere in the picture. You are simply watching that. You are simply watching the nonsense. Even that also I cannot say. That also will be again a duality. There is you and some watching. Watching is also in duality. There is no watching also. You don't know anything. You are in unknowing. You are not here, my dear. You will be very much unhappy. You may even beat me if you see me. If I say that you are not there, you will be very much, annoyed. But unfortunately, that is a fact. Now, tell me why this is happening. I told you everything depends on you. And I also told you that you cannot experience anything without knowledge of that. Whether it is person, place, or whatever, whether it is dream or whatever, you will have to have the knowledge of that particular thing which you are experiencing. Why are you doing that? That is the beautiful. This is like a suspense, suspense movies hota hai na. There are suspense movies, thriller movies. some crime has taken place, there are so many suspects around, and you go on watching the movie and you will go on, suspecting many people. One murder has happened, one lady, you will suspect, they will create a situation where husband will be in suspect list, sons, children may be in the neighbor, some dog there. So many people, it's very beautiful, fantabulous, it's all again mental drama only, all this. Suspense movies are creation of mind just like any other thing. So you will go on, suspecting many people why this is happening. Okay, I can understand. There is no world. I can understand there is no me. I can understand that there are no objects. But then, what is the problem? Who is the culprit here? At the end of the movie, you will find somebody who you never suspected or never imagined that he is going to be the killer. Understand what I am talking about? So, at the end of the show, you will understand that you are experiencing all this because there is a you which doesn't exist. Oh my God. Really horrible. You are struck in you. Please understand that. I will go on, attacking you in different ways. But at the end, I will reach here only. There is no you. If there is no you, then what is there? Investigate. Okay, my dear, all the best.